One of the most common mistakes in business is using the wrong tool for the job. Spreadsheets are often used like databases, and databases are sometimes used when a spreadsheet would be enough. In practice, organizations rarely make this choice deliberately. They drift into it, and that's where the trouble starts. In this video, we'll look at how to decide which one to choose, using simple, practical business situations. Spreadsheets are excellent analytical tools. They're ideal for calculations, exploring scenarios, and asking what-if questions. They're flexible and familiar, and ideal for small or temporary data sets. But spreadsheets struggle as data grows and as more people get involved. Large data sets reduce performance and increase the risk of errors. Multiple users create version conflicts and overwrite each other's changes. And without enforced rules, inconsistent formats and bad data quietly accumulate. These problems start small, but they grow over time. Databases are designed for a different purpose. They handle structured data, relationships between tables, and large volumes of records. They enforce rules, maintain consistency, and support many users at the same time. This makes databases well suited to long-term data management. A common mistake is using a spreadsheet as a database. For example, storing several years of sales data in one large file edited by multiple people. Another mistake is the opposite, building a full database when a simple spreadsheet would be enough. Applied MIS is about avoiding both extremes and choosing the right tool for the job. Here's a practical rule you can use. If your goal is to analyze data, compare scenarios, or explore what-if questions, a spreadsheet is usually the right choice. If your goal is to store and manage data long-term, with multiple users and enforce rules, a database is usually the better choice. In practice, many systems use both together. Databases store and manage data reliably over time. That data is then exported or connected to a spreadsheet for analysis, reporting, and what-if scenarios. Applied MIS is about designing systems that combine tools effectively, rather than choosing one and rejecting the other. MIS is not about loyalty to tools. It is about designing systems that support business processes and better management decisions. Databases and spreadsheets are not competitors. They are complementary tools when used for the right purpose. Understanding that distinction is central to how we think about applied MIS.